Bro, that girl a see me life a going good. Number one straight. Bro, come out of me. Hey, girl, come out of me yard.
Go by your socials, take a pic, make a post. Papa buckle, then you take a sip, make a toast. Thank God if you see your next birthday. Bust a prayer with your eyes and closed.
Watch on looking at you know, brain tear spooky. I'm saying Lionfoot TV. Tear, you know. Keep it locked. Boop.
Blessed love and greetings, my viewers and subscribers, kings and queens, lion and lioness, big up on yourself. Welcome to Lionfoot TV, another man of peace. I will set the violence off the streets. Stop the violence against women, men, kids, little child, animals. See, in this vlog here, we have Jayden, social media influencer. Jayden, sound like him a disrespect him girlfriend or woman or some woman related to him, you know. Yeah, and it wasn't good, you know what I mean? Very distasteful. You see it. So I'm going to hear what I want and you can tell me how you feel. You feedback in the comment section saying, yes man, but before that, you don't want to know, check out my birthday song. It's a birthday, enjoy it. Available on all digital platforms. We have an AI video as well, you know what I mean? So I'm going to leave the link in the comment section and ask for your support. Check it out and drop a feedback saying, yes man, on the artist page. Yes, it. Yeah man.
Today is all about you. Treat yourself to whatever you want to. Celebrating at the club or on your avenue. Tell everybody bring a buckle where you pass through. It's your birthday, enjoy it. Don't let no one destroy it.
Alright, it's a birthday. Enjoy it. You see me? So with no further ado, here, watch and listen Jaden behavior. Very, very distasteful. Yeah man.
Bro, that girl a see me life a going good. Number one straight. Bro, come out of me. Hey, girl, come out of me yard. Yo, come out of me. Yo, where Jayden, bro? Yo, let me out there, bro. Where Jayden?
As you can hear, the female is talking, I say, he's a little user. So it sounds like maybe somebody personal to him, maybe one of them girlfriend, you know, or I'm woman.
Bro, when that girl come out of the yard, that's fine. What you do with them? When that girl come out of the yard, brother. Where you go get out of that? Where you go get out of that? Come out of the yard. Not it. What that big stinking bitch, man. Come out of my fucking yard, not it. I want you, man. What the fuck? Dog, dog. Yo, Shelly, yo, Bumbuckler, yo. Me know somebody if you want to move from your center, dog. Bro, what am I?
Alright, my viewers and subscribers, kings and queens, lion and lioness. First, let me apologize about the profanities that's coming out of Jaden mouth. But you know, me have to present it too, as it is, you see me? Yeah, Jaden, me personally don't approve this behavior with the woman, whether on social media, TikTok live, whether a stunt or what. But as I can see on the caption, Ashley upset about Jaden and Fabi and went to his home. So I don't know who is Fabi. I don't know who is Ashley. Me just see it out there. You know what I mean? You know, in the social media space. And to the way, if this is his girlfriend or woman or what, a partner, you can't deal with the woman. So whether if a stranger or your friend, you know. So basically him upset about that she come and upset him live, him on him live, him TikTok live, and try to get him money and make him money, you know. And the point is, you know, the man upon him live and all them a cuss the woman a degrade, I don't call that dirty bitch and all of them things there. Flowers still are coming, people still are sending gifts and them things there. And that's why I feel I wonder one at a time if I stunt, you see me? You know, people do all type of things to gain money over TikTok, to make it look real when I just plan things, you see me? But yeah, me not approve that. And ladies, let me know what you think about that behavior from Jaden. I know class of the woman and a style her as dirty bitch and them things. Then, you see me? Yeah, so me never like that still, you see it? And hopefully, if a real thing, if you come out and apologize to the lady, as I hear the lady say he's a user and this and that, and perhaps not. So Like, you might flirt on the app, or as me say, I don't know who is Fabi, I don't know who is Ashley. But just not like how the way him a deal with the woman, the female, you know. And me wouldn't like to see a man that with my sister or one of my female relatives, so let me say it again. I wouldn't like a man that deal with my sister, so you see me? And that force. When I see the video last night, I say, hey, it forced me to unleash my song. And I have a song named Do You Love My Sister? Yes or no? I'm going to chop it out. You see me? I'm going to use all the video here to add to it. You see, my viewers and subscribers. But let me know what other things still. You know what I mean? We say stop the violence against men, women, you know what I mean, children, animals. You know, stop the violence overall. Sometimes you think before you act, think before you talk. You know what I mean? You can't degrade the female, so. And then later on, you go lie down with her and open her legs. You see me? You see it? You want to make love to her after you diss her up on social media and them things. They run her from your yard. And so me personally, I don't like this on Jayden. You see me? You know, Jayden are doing thing. Each man do them own decisions still, you know. You see me? Uprising, downfall. You see me? I say, can't tell a man how to live them life, but we can talk, you know. Sometimes if we see things and love it, it can get worse, you know. Sometimes it's good for you to keep your own yourself by yourself, you know what I mean, and interfere in people's business. But sometimes if you can talk, intervene the right way and talk, you can avoid an altercation and avoid someone getting hurt or harmed, you know. Yeah man, you can avoid a life getting lost. But as me say, each to them one still is it. But yeah man, Jayden, I don't have nothing against the eye. I don't know the eye. Just say the eye get very big on social media and you know, having fan base and them things there. So but I just not like how we behave with a lady here, you see me? You know, me are the man of peace and me talk. Yeah. So I say give me opinion. I'm a very opinionated person, you know. Yeah, but that means I have nothing against nobody at all. No, I'm the man of peace. I love myself, you see me? But me personally love how Jayden dealt with this situation. Him could have just started the B in a humble way, calm and say, yo, me dey on my life, you know, go on man, leave it. But if you're class or upon a style or as dirty bitch and all them things there, you know? Yeah, very, very distasteful and disgraceful, you see me? But let me know who you think my viewers and subscribers. That's what I say. Yeah, but I know I live with the man of peace. Don't forget to like and share the content, subscribe, and click the bell. You see me? Yeah, man, your support is highly appreciated, loved. You see it, and remember, click the like button, please and thanks, and share to a friend. Yeah, man. I even share to Jayden if you come across this. Share to Jayden. Jayden, do better, man. Act better, brother. Respect the woman, them. Respect the females, them. You know, because I don't know if I have a sister still, but you know. Yeah, man. Fix up them up on social media, man. Is it? Jayden, do your thing on Yelly King. Make your money, I see you here, but you know if you're dealing with the Empress, so you see me? Yeah, man. I know we love the woman, them. You know, we don't hurt them, we don't abuse them, you see me? We don't abuse them physically, we don't hurt them physically. We hurt them maybe emotionally, yes, by go out there and flirt with the other woman, yes, but when it comes to the physical altercation, it's a no-no, you see it? I like you for the man of peace. Blessed love.
It's your birthday, enjoy it. Don't let no one destroy it. Live it to the fullest. And that if you do yes, love your life, be grateful for it.